Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, Python 3. 11 plus on your machine and Vscode installed. Run the Python installer and check Add to Path so terminals find Python. Once done, launch Vscode and use extensions to install the Microsoft Python extension. This provides language support, linting, and debugging. Make sure Vscode restarts after the extension installs. You now have the core tools. Next, you will configure interpreters and environments to tie Vscode to your Python runtime. You now create or select an environment so projects remain isolated. Run Python venv or create a condo environment, then activate it in your shell. Open Command Palette and choose Python. Select Interpreter, pick the virtual environment or conda entry. Once selected, ensure Vscode shows the interpreter in the status bar. Make sure the workspace settings reflect that interpreter. Set Python. Default interpreter path or add a env with virtual env. This links linters, formatters, and debugger to the right Python. You finish by running and debugging to validate setup. Use run Python file in terminal for quick checks, then create a debug configuration with launch. JSON to set breakpoints, arguments, and environment variables. If code uses packages, pip install into the active environment. Make sure the terminal is activated so installs target the right venv. If something breaks, check that the interpreter matches your venv, verify path. Reactivate the environment and reinstall the Python extension if necessary. That one fix solves many.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.